Welcome to a brand new season of Colors Cricket Quiz 2021, presented by Nutridora Bivia and in association with Max. And we're also excited, lots of passion, lots of ferocity, lots of aggression, lots of love, all coming together. Let's find out who our guests are, these prominent personalities for the very first episode of this new season. Who are they? Let's find out. Wow, here we are. I can't believe it. A second season for me and 1,000th season for all of us. We're all here at Colors Cricket 2021. And we've got, unbelievably, the UAE national team, members of the UAE national team who have represented UAE in cricket, the very best of the best from this area, are with us here for free. That's right. So let's meet Team Green and the captain himself, Captain Ahmed Raza Saab. I don't know whether I should say Reza Saab, Ahmed Saab, Big Ahmed, because you know you're a very tall figure. Something like 9'3", about Joel Garner's height.
No, a little shorter than that.
All right, and a little bit about yourself, a little bit about the lovely lady with you. Tell us about your cricketing prowess.
Well, I have Miss Dependable of UAE women's team here. She's a teacher by profession and a cricketer by passion. Chaya Mughal.
Wow, so you're a teacher and a cricketer.
That's right.
So you can only play evening cricket.
Yes.
Because in the morning, obviously, you're teaching, I presume.
Yes.
Let's move on and meet Team Yellow.
Hi, my name is Rohan Mustafa. I am Hina, the young all-rounder from UAE women team.
Would you like to say something?
Yeah, I mean, this is the first time with Rohan sir here and
Rohan sir? Sir, ये तो insult है.
काम इधर ही खराब.
Next step आपको मालूम है? Uncle. Uncle के पास there's no looking back here. It's only more insults till the death. Remember that. Rohan ji is better, I think. Sorry, I interrupted you. Go on.
yeah, so good, or like from what I've seen, he's pretty aggressive on the field and he's a pretty chill guy outside, so it's good.
Let's go to Team Red.
Well, I have Vritya here, the young and bright player of UAE team. Yes, a prank star, mischievous and very loving.
So, bata fir, what prank have you done? Something in the dressing room?
No, I've done a lot. I don't know which I can say, but yeah, this is Chetrali. She is really bubbly character and she's a foodie.
Perfect answers. What an exciting lot we have here. New season, first episode. We're all super excited. We've got real cricketers. So ab, let's go to apna pehla segment, which we call Ow, the Googly. First is called stargazing. It's very simple. I'll give you the rules in about 3 seconds. There's a limit of 5 players per team that will appear on the screen. आपके पीछे जो screen है, 5 maximum, not more, in a total of 45 seconds. If you're not getting a name, go say next, so you can get the next one. Don't waste time. 45 seconds pass really quickly. 10 points per answer if it's correct. If the player gives the clues by taking the name, supposing it's Manish Pandey and you say Chunky Pandey, then that's wrong, so you get minus 10 immediately. If you can somehow guess all the 5 players within 30 seconds, which is very rare, you get a bonus of 30 points. Actually, काफी simple है. We'll find out. So let's call out Team Red first. Who's going to come here and who's going to guess from there? All right. Are we ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, and it'll appear.
India's batsman, left-hand bat. Okay, skip.
Skip. Next.
New Zealand's pace bowler.
And Bolt.
Correct.
Superb. Next. Jaldi, next.
India's keeper and batsman who
Dhoni.
who won for India.
Dinesh Karthik.
Correct. No, sorry.
Saha.
Same what you said.
Dinesh Karthik.
Yeah, first name.
Dinesh.
No, change the first name.
Change the first name.
Yeah. Okay, he's a spinner. Sorry, he's a spinner. Left arm spinner.
Murli Karthik.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, quick, next.
Okay, Bangladesh player. He was a captain also.
Mushfiqur Rahim.
Yes.
Mushfiqur Rahim.
Wow, time up, but not bad, yeah? Not bad. 3, 2, 1. Team Yellow, 45 seconds.
Left-arm batsman, India, very good. Mr. IPL. Chennai Super Kings. अभी रिटायर, धोनी के साथ रिटायर हुआ.
Raina, Suresh Raina.
Yeah. Next, go.
Opening bat, India. He's from Karnataka. Okay, skip.
Skip. Next.
South African bowler, very good in test. ODI में भी अच्छा कर रहा है. Fast bowler.
Delstein.
Skip.
Next.
Weird action, Pakistan fast bowler.
Sohail
ऊपर से,
Tanveer.
yeah.
Alright, superb. One more. Come on.
India fast bowler World Cup में retire हुआ.
और आशीष
Left arm, yeah.
Yes.
Well,
आशीष ने
Yes. Wow. Not bad. Time up. Not bad. Okay, let's take a look. 3, 2, 1. 45 seconds.
Indian pacer. Right now he is out, some injury.
Mohammad Shami, Jasprit Bumrah,
Another swing bowler.
Bhuvneshwar Kumar.
Yes.
Next.
Pakistan captain opens. Right now test.
Babar Azam,
No, not captain, but he plays. Just now he scored.
Shan Masood, Abid Ali,
Next. Australian pacer.
Mitchell Stark, Brett Lee, current retired,
Yeah, now.
Josh Hazelwood, Pat Cummins,
Yeah.
Next.
Australian captain, previous plays with Chennai Super King.
Michael Clark,
No. Come on.
David Hussey, Michael Hussey, Matthew Hayden,
No. He scored in the finals last year.
Shane Watson.
Yeah.
Time up. 30 red, 30 yellow, 30 green. Green. Thank you so much. Big hand for green. Googly part 1 ho gaya, but Googly part 2, which is a little more dangerous and difficult, is starting right now. Let me just explain it to you. Both members of the team will come here. Behind on the screen, we will have a picture of 2 cricketers' faces into one. Matlab, do ka ek. So you'll have to decide who the 2 are. Now, to get it right, you get 30 seconds. You can talk amongst yourselves, decide the answer. Ye jawab hai, to de do, and we'll see what happens. 30 points for getting it right. If you get it right without me giving a clue after 15 seconds, then you get 50 points, like a bonus. One more thing, if team red, supposing, doesn't get it, then the other 2 teams can attempt by pressing the buzzer. And minus 10 if you get it wrong. 3, 2, 1. Team red, please take a look. 2 faces in one. Kaun hai? In 10 seconds, I'll give you a clue if you don't get. The hint is 10,000 run club in Test cricket. 10,000 run club in Test cricket. First and second. 10 seconds remaining, guys. 10,000 runs Test mein kisne banaya? I think Ahmed Saab knows for sure. Time up. Green has pressed it. Haji Green.
Alan Border, Gavaskar,
Yes! SMG, Allen Border, SMG and AB. 3, 2, 1. Let's take a look. 2 faces in one.
Pollard and Chandrapal. Pollard and Chandrapal.
Is that what you want to say?
नहीं वो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे.
Discuss it. Okay, let me give the clue then. Hunting in pairs.
Bravo and Pollard.
10 seconds. Time up, yellow. Green ने press किया. Yellow, stay where you are. Green, go ahead, please.
Walsh and Ambrose,
Oh my God. यार, is out of the park for 6. Ball वापस लेके आना यार कोई. What a big shot. Yellow, sorry, well played. 3, 2, 1. Screen. The 6 sixes club is your clue. 10 seconds to go. Jaldi, 5 seconds to go.
दोनों ने मारे.
6 sixes club. 3,
yes,
2,
Harshal Gibbs, Yuvraj Singh.
yes.
Got it.
तो डाउट क्या था?
Yes, वो तो
राजा साहब और कोई है नहीं, I think. और कोई है नहीं.
See, I don't
Google
know what
करो
was
जल्दी.
this is-
Well done, Green. What a fabulous opening we've had in this first double segment. In the first segment, the Googly segment. और scores है, in the words of Raza Saab, बहुत कम, ज़्यादा. And it's almost exactly that. It is 30 for red, 30 for yellow, and 120 for green. All right, we have to take what is called a Nutridor Abivia tea break. Just for a little while, we'll come back and the fight will continue. Can red and yellow come back? Boom, boom, after the break. Welcome back to Colors Crick Quiz 2021, presented by Nutridora Bivia and in association with Max. And of course, we're very excited. All of us are sweating because both competitive hard. We've got lots of good, interesting teams here. Green is ahead, but red and yellow, they're young, they're hungry, anything can happen. It's called Power Play. Well, it's called Active Hats. First, let me set it up. Active Hats naam hai. In Power Play, one member will throw the balls and the other has to try and catch the ball in the hat. So we have one hat on one end and on the other end of the pitch, we have a guy or girl throwing the balls, all right? The roles will be reversed after 30 seconds. Immediately you continue, but from the one who's throwing is now catching and the one catching is now throwing. The team with the most successful catches wins 20 points, but there's a bonus of 30 points if a pair can complete 25 catches. So guarantee 30 points if you can do 25. And go! 1, 2,
Start throwing.
3,
वापस
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
चलो हो गया काम
10,
नहीं कोई बात
11,
कोई बात नहीं.
12, 13,
Oh man.
and switch. Time is ticking, the clock is ticking, ladies and gentlemen.
Your turn.
You have to do the wicket keeping.
catch it.
Clock is ticking. 2, 3, 4,
Roll
5.
it.
Rolling the balls. Half the game is getting the balls back. देखा ये cricket से और complicated है. 5 seconds to go. Yeah. 2, 1.
एक और है पीछे.
And it's almost time. It's time. All right, we have the score here. It is how much you want, sir?
30.
25. ठीक है 23. You take 23.
Oh, not
Because
bad.
I know you.
Not bad.
Because I know you. But the point here is it's not as easy as it looks. You are great cricketers, great athletes.
Exactly.
But at the end of the day, there's little strategy involved. Maybe advantage to yellow and red. Having seen it. Up, yellow ki bari, please. Yellow, come forward. On the count of 3, 2, 1, yellow. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Passing the ball. Half the game is passing the ball. That's right. Time is going.
go back
Go back. There's a no ball. Huh? Thanks for being spotting, yaar. Huh?
पास.
Oops.
एक और.
Oops. Ball गिर गया. मेरा count भी गिर गया.
Yes, pass.
Okay, 30 seconds. Change. जोश के साथ youngsters खेलते हैं यार. Unbelievable speed. Correct. गया.
हाँ सर पीछे दो पीछे.
ये भी.
थ्रो आप थ्रो करो
Yeah. Time left is
Yes.
5 seconds to go. Come on, guys. 3-4 तो हो जाएगा if you
एक और पैर
rush.
के पास बस.
One.
एक और उधर पैर पे. हो
पैर के बीच में. All out. Okay, Team Yellow का score है 20 catches for Team Yellow. Well done, Team Yellow. And now it's time for Team Red. 3, 2, 1, and start. And oops. Team Red is doing quite well. The wicketkeeper has gone on one knee. I've never seen this new style, but it's good enough. Dropped only one. Yeah. I'm not telling you all what to do, but better to stay with the balls which are here. Remember, time ki baat hai. Okay. I like the
Fast.
underarm bowling technique, which has not been seen on cricket grounds for many years. Yes, still got some time. 30 seconds ho gaya. Please switch.
Go there only.
Switch.
One ball is back.
No, I should not help. All right. You're playing with one less ball.
Come, go there.
Okay. And
Pass.
come on, guys. I think 10 seconds ke aaspaas. Don't. The timer is this beautiful young man who's not
Fast,
telling me the time.
Throw, keep throwing.
Both come time hai. And it's out. Over. We'll count that. Last one.
Should be over
We'll count that. We've got the score. My prediction came right. 19. मैंने क्या बोला? मैंने क्या किया? मैंने क्या कहा? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Never again. Never again. All right, we have the scores here, and I don't fix anything. It's all authentic, original, and real. Team Green, 20 points. You win this power play section. Active hats. तो आपका स्कोर हो गया 140, 140 बैटिंग. You still got time to come. Team Red is at 30. Not to worry, we have a huge round coming up where anyone can win the entire championship. Team Yellow also at 30. Now it's time to take a Nutridor Abivia tea break, and we'll be back for the finale, the final overs. It's actually the final overs. Welcome back to Colors Cricket Quiz 2021 presented by Nutridor Abivia and in association with Max. This is the final over. हाँ इसका मतलब है final over. It's also called the final over because it's the final chapter, to make it clear, in this episode. The opener, the season opener. With us, the UAE team members, former captains, present captains and perhaps future captain. है कि नहीं?
Hopefully.
Hopeful. Sir, what are the chances?
बहुत देर है.
Spoken like a true gentleman. But now we are coming to the final overs. और अब the rules which I make up on the spot यार, तो अगर आपको तकलीफ है तो say so and we'll change it. No. Very serious rules. The team that hits the buzzer first gets to answer. It's very obvious. If the buzzer is hit while the question is being read out because you're in a hurry, the question won't be read out further. The teams must answer within 10 seconds of hitting the buzzer. For every correct answer, they get 10 points. And for every wrong answer, beta, minus 5. Minus 5 for the wrong answer, plus 10 for the right answer. The other teams can hit the buzzer if an incorrect answer is given, but the same rules apply. Okay, so better get it right when you hit that buzzer. Now, before we get to the actual competition, this is a very important point that was designed by one of our geniuses who is now in a hospital for 6 months. It's called the free hit option. इसका मतलब क्या है? I'll pause for a second before reading out the questions. When I pause for 2 seconds, you'll have to decide कि ये final free hit का option है कि नहीं, in your mind, worth it or not. That you have to decide in that 1 second. Now, if you take the free hit, it's lottery lag gayi, remember. You take the free hit, you will double the points if you answer correctly. But if you answer wrong, beta, minus 10. Let's start with question number 1. Which umpire has officiated in the most number of international games as of 1st February 2021? Green.
Aleem Dar.
Aleem Dar. What do you think, beta? आप बताओ. You say?
Wrong.
Wrong! Get out of the class. Right. Sir is never wrong. Sir is only right. Aleem Dar, 158 games. Question number 2. Free hit, nahi. Okay, question number 2, normal style. When the Southern Stars play the White Ferns, Southern Stars, White Ferns, which 2 international teams are playing?
Australia versus New Zealand.
Yellow, yes.
Australia versus New Zealand women's.
Let me double check. Australia women versus New Zealand women, इसका मतलब same है. You're right. You're right. You're perfectly right. Question number 3. नहीं. So normal. Whose autobiography was titled Line and Strength? Autobiography का नाम है Line and Strength. Okay, Green has fired. Reza साहब, आप बताओ.
Nathan Lyon.
Nathan Lyon. Galat. At last you have made a mistake. That ball, the line was right for you. Anybody wants to try?
No, not at all.
मुस्तफा जी ने रिटायर किया.
40 मिल गए ना इला मैच.
अभी बेनिफिट मैच के लिए तैयार है वो. He's done. He's done. The answer is Glenn McGrath. Line and Strength. Okay. Okay, there was a bonus, but we won't waste time doing it. But you could have made more points. Let's move on. Question number 4. Free hit. Which stadium has around its surroundings a clock tower, a Dutch fort, and the Indian Ocean?
Gaul Cricket Ground, Sri Lanka.
Gaul International Cricket Stadium, I'll give you that. That's fine. Have you been there?
No, I haven't.
Well, you'll go there soon. Courtesy our show, Colors Cricket Quiz 2021. I'm just saying. Bonus question is there. Green, lucky for you. Are you ready? There's no minus for this. You can try it anyway. Which monumental landmark played out at Gaul in Muralitharan's last test? What happened? Something happened in that test.
He got to 800 wickets.
Yes! Yes! I'll shake hands with people who are not there. Well done. Well done. Well done, sir. Well done. Unbelievable. You're back. Form is back. Raja Saab is back on track. All right. Question number 5. They're looking at each other but to see if someone is interested in free hit. Free hit cancel ho gaya. Normal question. Out of all the teams who have been there since the inception of the IPL, which 3 haven't won a title yet? Many teams have played because we had extra teams 1-2 saal. But only 3 teams have not won a title ever. Kaun hai? Green has pressed it. You're going for all 3, huh?
Yeah. RCB, Kings 11.
And? Wait. They have to complete. Huh? Hai koi jawab? Red.
Go for it.
Finally, Red has woken up. Aajo.
RCB, Punjab, and Delhi Daredevils.
Or Delhi Capitals as it's called now. Same team, but well done. Red. Question number 6. Free hit option not taken. Which cricketer's musical album is titled Rest Day? Sang songs and Team Green.
Ambrose.
Ambrose plays in a band with Richie Richardson, but it's not him. Time up. The answer is Sanjay Manjrekar. Good. Likes to sing all the old Hindi songs from the 60s and 70s and has a very good voice. Question number 7. Okay, fine. It's a normal question then, although it's a bumper one. Question worth 20 points as of now. What unique distinction does Nia Gregg and Marian Gerasim hold in cricket? Hope I said that correctly. The options are there. Nia Gregg and Marian Gerasim, if you know the names. A, are they twins who represented different countries? B, are they the oldest to make international debut? C, are they youngest to make international debut? D, represented 3 teams in international cricket. Their names, Nia Gregg, Marian Gerasim. Achha, they are using the technique ki galat aayega, fir second galat aayega, fir we are down to 1 or 2. It's a good technique. Time up. It doesn't make a difference. Anyway, you want to try? No negatives?
3 teams.
They are the youngest to make the international debut in cricket. Red, you knew it?
Yeah, I think.
Red knew it and let it go, yaar. And you have taken the free hit on this. Aye. Question number 8. Free. No free hit. Chalo. Question 8. And again, you can win potentially 20 points and more. It's a bouncer question, but you've not taken it. What is common between Alec Douglas Home, that's his full name, Alec Douglas Home, Francis Bell, Imran Khan, and Nawaz Sharif? There is something common. It's 2 things that are common.
Try it, sir.
हाँ जी.
इतने रिस्की ले लेता हूँ माइनस ही होगा ना. I think they study in the same university, Oxford.
और 2 चीज़ है.
सर आपने एक ही बोला.
और एक ही बोला है आपने.
मैंने बोला दोबारा बोलो. I said 4 times. Anyway, it's not the right answer.
नहीं.
मैं भी था ऑक्सफोर्ड में and I didn't see them.
Minus point है?
Minus point है.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर तो नहीं रहे.
हाँ? आपने क्या कहा?
मैं दयाल और नवाज शरीफ भी.
Okay, since time is up and no one is trying, you're spot on.
Yeah.
Mr.
Even
Mustafa,
we
you're
were
spot on.
माइनस नहीं करो.
You took 2, yeah?
We too, yeah, but you
Guys.
said 2, yeah.
But the actual, they all played first class cricket and they all served as prime minister of their
We said,
respective
yeah,
countries.
सर प्लस 10 कर लो सर.
अब मैं क्या बताऊँ? I thought once he said Imran Khan तो आपको मालूम है क्रिकेट था और prime minister है. I thought that's enough connect यार.
चलेगा इतना तो चलेगा.
Now you have to turn around, guys, for the question number 9. Let's take a look at the screen right now. It's a visual question. Identify this player. Yellow has pressed it. Yellow?
Yeah. Chandapal.
Chandapal, you said?
Yeah.
You're right. Shivnarayan Chandapal. Rohan Mustafa has come back to the party. He's come alive. His favorite khiladi, Shivnarayan Chandapal. There's a bonus. The bonus question for you guys. Yellow. What did Chandapal often apply under his eyes while batting? Aankhi ke niche?
No, West Indies flag.
It's there in the picture.
आइस को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए.
Yes. I'll give this. I think we should give this.
Yeah.
Eyes को protect. Anti-glare. Actual phrase है anti-glare stickers. Teams who are losing, think about it. This is question 10. Red has pressed the buzzer. It is only open for Team Red, Team Orange, Team Green, and Team Blue who are disqualified. You cannot take part. All right. You'll see the scorecard. Match summary, third test leads. Okay, 2019 Australian Tour of England. Now, 3 names are missing in this great test match which went down to the wire. Who are the 3 names? Green is already ready. He's holding the buzzer and playing with it like it's a little cute little plant.
1, 2. There's only two.
There's only 2.
Sorry, only 2 names are missing. 2 names are missing. Sorry. There are 2 names missing. Identify the 2 names.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Is it Archer and Stokes?
It is right.
Joffrey
Archer and Stokes. I say no WG Grace and you're fine. Archer and Stokes. You get 40 points for this. You're very much in the game, but you get more if you win the bonus. Who stuck around with Stokes as England stitched together last wicket partnership?
Jack Leach.
Jack Leach. Who, do you remember what he made? 1 of 60 balls. Yeah. Well done. He knows his cricket, yaar. End mein to aa gaya, Tiger aa gaya. Superb, superb.
Yeah.
All right.
We just warmed up.
Red, very good. Yellow, very good. Green, very good. Who won, who lost, we'll find out in a second. But first, let's give away some great gift hampers because you've all done really well. And cricket is the winner. Okay, before we announce the scores and the final winner, let's give away some lovely hampers from our sponsor, Nutridor Abevia. Thank you so much. Red team, can you come forward and take these lovely prizes? Yes, this is the trophy and this is the big prize I'll announce in a second. Who won, who didn't win, who should have won, and was there any setting done behind the scenes? No, it's a fair game and we have the scores. Team Yellow, 50, 50, half century. Well played, well played. Team Red got 60 in the last question, the free hit question, and which means their total is 100. Well played, 100 is great. But the world champion remains Team Green with 155 points. Team Green, please come and take your prizes. Well played. Red and yellow. खुन्नस के साथ clap करो, but clap करो. It's very. Reza Saab is saying sorry to them.
Captain for a reason.
Yeah, captain for a reason. But what a big smile when you said sorry, yaar. Come on this side, come on this side. We want you all on 2 ends. This is our season opener. Ladies and gentlemen, Colours Cricket Quiz 2021. These are the winners. Well played to both of them. You get to hold the trophy. This is an LED TV set, 55 inches of viewing pleasure for both. 6 months your house, 6 months your house. यार अगर आप कैप्टन है तो 9 months your house, 3 months our house. You decide. That's not our business. Not our business at all. Our business is to play the game. It's been an honor. Thank you all for coming. Great pleasure and privilege for us. Thank you for setting us up with this great opener. ठीक है? And now as we go, can you just correct my action, यार? You know when I bowl the faster one, I think my elbow is bending slightly. Can you just take a look, यार? क्या हो? देखा?